Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the audio to your video in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select it right. Alright, to add the audio, you can select audio and you can select music and select music available here. Just click add to track or just download it before, and you can add the sound effect. So appears many sound effect you like to add. Just click add icon and you can add the audios from extract your video, yeah. And you can add the TikTok sound, just link to TikTok account. So you can also add the voice recording. Just click on the record icon and select or click on right button to start recording. So that's how you can add the audio. For example, I'm going to select the music available here, and yeah, you can adjust for duration in the same lane. Just split. You can yeah, add the auto beat or match cut the audio. That's how you can add the audio in CapCut PC. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.